Nike's Elite Youth Basketball League, EYBL, continues to inspire bold basketball silhouettes, and the upcoming Nike G.T Cut 1 EYBL is a standout. This version features a vibrant volt color across the upper, accented with electric crimson touches on the swoosh, midsole, and heel branding. A layered mesh upper provides breathability, while a sculpted foam midsole with zoom cushioning delivers responsive performance. EYBL and GT logos appear on each heel, and the familiar "Create Separation" slogan returns near the forefoot. While newer models have taken the spotlight, this release shows the original GT Cut 1 still holds its own, especially with performance-driven features and a striking colorway. Though an official release date hasn't been confirmed, the Nike GT Cut 1 EYBL is expected to launch later this fall through Nike basketball retailers and Nike.com. Fans of bold designs and high-performance footwear should stay tuned for updates on availability.